Hi, I'm Max Porterfield, President and CEO of Callinex Mines. We are a junior explorer focused on key Canadian mining jurisdictions, where most notably in the Flin Flon District of Manitoba, we have one of the highest grade copper discoveries that we're delineating over the past 12 months that we're very excited about at a very key time for that community of Flin Flon, Manitoba, where the key flagship mine is shutting down in May of this year. Well, certainly, like I mentioned just a moment ago, we actually made a brand new discovery in late 2020. It's called Rainbow. It's one of the highest grade copper discoveries, not on just North American basis, but truly on a global basis. And so what we did over the last 12 months, going to 2021, we had only 3 holes into Rainbow. And since that time, we've done over 35,000 meters to delineate the Rainbow deposit. And it's from the discovery depth of 900 meters, comes up within 100 meters of surface. And we're going to continue to advance it moving forward, looking to publish a maiden resource on the deposit later this year. Well, we've done a great deal of drilling already on it, but we're short on, need a couple more drill holes into the deposit area before we can publish a maiden resource. So we're going to look to do that in the very near term so that we can publish that maiden resource on Rainbow, as well as an updated historic resource adjacent to the Pine Bay deposit. In addition to that, we'll be doing exploration drilling on 5 key target areas that we've identified later this year. And then, of course, we'll be following up based on the results of those target areas at the property. Well, we've just announced the financing that we're looking to close in a very short order. And the proceeds of that financing are going to be used to drill out Rainbow and have an aggressive drilling campaign at the Pine Bay property. And that's going to be the key catalyst is, again, the drilling campaign at the Rainbow deposit that's leading into the maiden resource for that deposit that'll be, published later on this year. Well, more often than not, as you know, an exploration company is very, very remote. And if you look at the entire portfolio that we've assembled at Callinex, it's all in proximity to infrastructure that's absolutely critical for us. Namely, if you look at the Rainbow deposit, our flagship deposit, obviously an asset at Pine Bay, that's located within a 30-minute drive from the town of Flin Flon, Manitoba. The deposit actually sits within 200 meters of a hydroelectric power line. So as road access to existing processing facilities that, again, are going to be idle in 2 months' time. And then you also have access to clean, low-cost power. And all this comes together when you have one of the highest grade copper deposits, clean power, access to infrastructure, as really an ESG-friendly opportunity, which we're looking to take advantage of this year moving forward. Well, certainly in the exploration business, you better have some geologists and geophysicists as well as engineers on your team, and we certainly have that. In fact, Callinex's technical team has been credited with the discovery of 3 of the 4 largest mines in the Flin Flon camp's history. And that's a camp that, again, has had 32 mines, and I like to say counting, because I don't think it's over just yet, obviously. But again, they've had a tremendous amount of success in the Flin Flon district as well as globally, and we're looking to leverage that expertise, which you can see is kind of benefited with the discovery of Rainbow as we advance the company. Perfect question in terms of financials. We are just about roughly $1 million in the treasury today, and then we've recently announced a financing that will top up. It was announced a $4.22 million financing that we'll look to close in the very near future, and that will provide a fully funded exploration campaign for 2022. I love it. I mean, let's learn not to like about Las Vegas.